Dealing with recessions. The first step to deal with a recession is to accept that it's going to happen. The economy is cyclical. It has periods of major growth, followed by periods of recession. There is nothing that can prevent that. Our goal is just to realize it and take the steps to minimize the damages that happen. A great resource to understand this better is a video called How the Economic Machine Works by Ray Dalio, the founder of one of the largest hedge funds in the country. I'll leave the link below. The good thing is the system we built was made to protect us from recessions. Through asset allocation, we have a hedge in the case of the stock market dropping, whether that be in bonds, cash, gold, real estate, or any other assets. Indexing protects us from any single stock wiping out our account. By dollar cost averaging, we continue to put money into the market during the recessions, leading to very cheap buy-in prices. The key thing for recessions is just to accept that they will happen, and do not act irrationally when they do. You may see your portfolio drop up to 20%. You may lose all the gains that you got in the last 5 years. But don't worry, never in the history of our stock market have we never been able to make out of a recession. It may take time, but just follow your system. That's all for today. See you next time.